Today we discuss the Ford 9N tractor. Stick around to learn more. The Ford 9N was produced from 1939 to 1942 in the United States at the Dearborn, Michigan factory, which produced 99,002 tractors. The tractor sold for $585 in 1939, which is equivalent to $2,231 in 2023 dollars. The Ford 9N engine was built with either a 2.0-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine or a Ford 2.0-liter four-cylinder distillate engine. The fuel tank held 10 gallons of fuel. The transmission was a 3-speed gear transmission. This was 3 forward gears and 1 reverse. The engine produced an estimated 26.5 horsepower. The drawbar specifications claimed 16.9 horsepower, but testing rated it at 16.3 horsepower. The belt specifications claimed 23.87 horsepower, but the standard belt test read at 23.56 horsepower. The PTO produced 545 RPM. The tractor was rated for a 2-bottom plow and had a rear lift capacity of 800 pounds. The tractor was a 2-wheel drive tractor, with manual steering and no cabin for the operator. The rear brakes utilized differential mechanical shoe brakes for stopping power. The wheelbase was 70 inches. The tractor weighed between 2,140 and 2,900 pounds. The front tire size was 4.0 to 19 and the rear was 8.0 to 32 from the factory. The electrical system on the tractor utilized a 6-volt positive ground configuration and had an onboard generator for charging.